Unit 2, Ice Cream. We're gonna learn the same song but move in two different positions between C5 fingers and G5 fingers. All you need to feel is the movement of the notes skipping or stepping or jump fourth or fifth. So it doesn't matter where you move your hand, as long as you keep the concept, the reading will be much easier. Let's start. Ice cream, C5 fingers, and you look, they are line to line, space to space, it means skipping. Ready, set, go. G skip, F skip, D, E skip, C to D. Now G sharp, G white, E sharp, E white, C, G, D, C, G, and then yeah. Same thing when you move to more ice cream, you play on G position, same finger, same movement. Ready, set, go. D, skip, C, skip, B, skip to A. Now D, sharp your neighbor, go down, B, sharp your neighbor, go down, G, top, A, top, G, and then quit. Ice cream with accompaniment, slow version. Icy, frosty, dry, swirly, misty, olives gone to melting, dripping, sticky, licky, frosty, till it's gone. Ice cream fast version. Icy, frosty, dry, swirly, misty, olives gone to melting, dripping, sticky, licky, frosty, till it's gone. More ice cream, slow version.